Think money can't buy happiness? Think again. We're starting off by debunking some common money myths that have been ingrained in our society for generations. These misconceptions are often barriers to financial success, and it's time we shed some light on them. First off, the age-old adage that money can't buy happiness. While it's true that money alone can't guarantee a life of joy, it certainly contributes to a sense of security and comfort. It provides the means to live comfortably, pursue passions, and have experiences that enrich our lives. So, while money may not directly purchase joy, it certainly paves the path to it. Next up, the belief that more money means more problems. Sure, with increased wealth might come increased responsibilities or complexities. However, it's also true that the absence of money brings its own set of challenges. The key is to learn effective money management skills to navigate these complexities, not shun wealth altogether. Lastly, let's tackle the myth that the rich don't work hard for their money. This is a sweeping generalization that often undermines the effort and dedication it takes to build wealth. Many wealthy individuals have spent years honing their skills, taking risks, and making sacrifices to get where they are. It's not about luck or shortcuts, but about consistent effort and strategic planning. Now, why are these myths so damaging? Well, they can create a negative association with wealth, leading to self-sabotaging behaviors that prevent financial growth. They can also discourage us from seeking financial literacy, a crucial aspect of wealth creation. So let's take the first step towards financial empowerment by busting these myths wide open. It's time to replace these misconceptions with a healthier, more realistic understanding of money. Now that we've debunked these myths, let's dive into the strategies that can transform your financial situation. Remember, the journey to financial success starts with a shift in mindset. Chapter 1: 7 Money Strategies. Our first strategy is all about control. Budgeting. This isn't about denying yourself the luxuries life offers, rather gaining a clear comprehension of your monetary inflows and outflows to make informed decisions. It's about setting achievable financial goals and drafting a roadmap to reach them. When you budget, you're essentially sketching the contours of your financial picture, pinpointing areas of excess expenditure, and identifying potential saving zones. Let's take an example. If you're spending a lot on dining out, perhaps you can cook at home more often or look for discounts and deals. Or if you notice that a large chunk of your money goes to subscription services, maybe it's time to reconsider which ones you really need. You'll be amazed at the significant difference small changes like these can make. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. There are plenty of apps that can help you with this, or even just record it on a sheet. Once you have the data, categorize them into different buckets like rent, groceries, entertainment, and set spending limits for each category. Keep in mind, these categories and limits should be flexible, adjusting based on your monthly income and expenditure. This process will provide you with a detailed breakdown of your spending habits and highlight areas where you can potentially reduce costs. Budgeting also acts as a catalyst, compelling you to prioritize your expenditure and concentrate on what's genuinely important to you. Remember, every dollar is significant, and it's vital that you make your money work for you, not vice versa. Implement budgeting techniques like the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debts, or the budgeting which ensures every dollar has a job. These methods can help you stay in control of your finances. Strategy #2: invest in yourself, invest in the bank of you. That's a strategy that's more precious than a vault full of gold. Investing in yourself is incredibly powerful to pave the way towards a sunnier financial future. Let's talk about why that is. When you invest in yourself, be it through education, personal development, or even embarking on a side hustle, what you're really doing is laying the groundwork for an increased earning capacity. Consider it akin to planting a seed. The more you feed it with knowledge and skills, the more it flourishes. Education, for instance, is a mightily effective tool. Not only does it open doors to improve job opportunities and promotions, it also sets you up for higher salaries. Take online courses, enroll in professional certifications, or even go for higher studies like master's or PhD. There are also plenty of free resources available on the internet, such as videos, webinars, and podcasts. Then comes personal development. It aids you in constructing skills and attributes that can transform you into an invaluable in any industry. This could involve self-help books, attending workshops, networking events, or even hiring a personal coach. And let's not forget about the side hustle. It's an exciting pathway to earn supplementary income while also digging into your passions. Side hustles can be highly diverse, ranging from freelance writing, or graphic designing to creating and selling homemade crafts or even starting a small-scale e-commerce store. You could also consider tutoring, blogging, or becoming a social media influencer. All of these are intriguing, innovative, and feasible ways to invest in yourself. Remember, as the saying goes, investing in yourself is the best investment you'll ever make. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. A sage adage that still holds water, particularly when it pertains to managing your finances. Being solely dependent on a single source of income is akin to traversing a tightrope with no safety net beneath. It's a precarious situation, leaving you exposed to financial pitfalls. So how does one weave this financial safety net? By diversifying your income streams. There are numerous ways to diversify your income. One way is through such as stocks, bonds, or real estate, and even unconventional options like cryptocurrency or peer-to-peer lending. Another approach could be to start a side hustle. These could range from freelancing, consulting, tutoring, selling homemade products online, to driving for a ride-sharing service. Creating passive income streams is another strategy that could be done by writing a book or renting out a property. Additionally, you could also consider creating a blog or YouTube channel, investing in a revenue-generating website, or even tapping into the potential of affiliate marketing. Peer-to-peer lending platforms, dividend-paying stocks, high-yield savings accounts, automated investment platforms like robo-advisors can be other useful tools in your arsenal. The idea is to have multiple sources of income, so if one stream dries up, you have others to fall back on. These diversified income streams not only bolster your earnings but also strengthen your financial stability. They act as a bulwark against unexpected job loss or unforeseen expenses. With multiple income streams, you're not just earning more, you're also fortifying your financial future. Debt can feel like a daunting anchor dragging you down. Picture it as carrying a rucksack filled with stones, where each stone signifies a debt you owe. The heavier the stone, the higher the interest. Certainly wouldn't it feel liberating to remove the heaviest stone first? This is the principle behind focusing on high-interest debt. This kind of debt behaves like a gaping hole in your wallet, depleting your hard-earned dollars faster than you can replenish. It's a stumbling block on your journey towards financial independence, slowing you down at each turn. So how do we confront this? Start by identifying the debts the highest interest rates. These could be credit card debts, personal loans, or even certain types of student loans. Prioritize paying these off as quickly as possible. This strategy, commonly known as the avalanche method, recommends tackling the debt with the highest interest first. Perhaps you need to reassess your spending habits, cutting back on non-essential expenses like dining out or high-end gadgets. Or even consider using a budgeting app to monitor your expenses and help you save. Finding additional income sources can help as well. This could involve taking on a part-time job or selling unused items on online marketplaces. Consider consolidating your debts. Debt consolidation loans or balance transfer credit cards can help you combine multiple high-interest debts into one lower-interest debt, making it easier and potentially cheaper to pay off. Similarly, consider seeking help from a credit counselor. A counselor can provide you with personalized advice and resources such as a debt management plan. Remember, every dollar you economize is a dollar you can utilize to clear your debt. Release yourself from the manacles of high-interest debt and your financial health will greatly benefit. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. This sentiment continues to hold true across generations. One of the most effective strategies to amass wealth is through consistent saving and investing. Picture it like this: you're planting a tree. A single watering is not enough for it to flourish. It requires consistent care over time. Your wealth operates in a similar manner. It doesn't balloon overnight but requires regular saving and investing. You might be wondering, how do I kickstart my investing journey? The answer to that isn't complex. Start small. Don't need a colossal sum to begin investing. Even a modest amount that you can afford can set the ball rolling. There are ample investment platforms that allow you to invest with minimal amounts. The key lies in taking the initial step. Furthermore, there are multiple tools and techniques you can use to help with your consistent saving and investing strategy. For example, a high-yield savings account is a good tool to with. It's a safe place to save your money and it earns you a decent automatic transfers can be another useful tool. You can set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings or investment account. This ensures consistent savings without any effort on your part. You can also use budgeting apps to help manage your expenses and save more. Some apps even have features that automatically invest your spare change. In addition, let's explore the magic of compound interest. Albert Einstein famously said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." Compound interest occurs when the interest you earn on your investments starts earning interest itself. It's a snowball effect. Your capital can grow exponentially, demonstrating the power of consistent investing. But what should you do if the market is down? Should you halt your investment? Absolutely not. Consistent investing means you continue investing regardless of market conditions. This strategy is known as dollar cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you acquire shares when prices dip and fewer shares when prices skyrocket. Over the long haul, this can potentially lower the average cost per share of your investments. So what's the lesson here? Initiate your investing now, irrespective of the amount. Transform it into a habit. Grasp the power of compound interest. Don't let market volatility deter you. Keep investing consistently. To wrap it up, wealth creation isn't about making a quick fortune. It's about the gradual and steady amassing of assets over the long run. The best part? Anyone can do it. It doesn't matter where you're starting from, all you need are discipline, a dash of patience, and a robust focus on consistency. Remember, consistency is key in wealth building. No risk, no reward. This statement may sound cliché, but it's a principle that holds true in the world of finance. Strategy number 6 is about embracing and effectively managing calculated risks. Let me clarify, that doesn't imply throwing caution to the wind and betting your life savings on a hunch. Rather, calculated risks are about making informed decisions that could lead you to substantial rewards. So, the question arises, how do we take calculated risks? Firstly, equip yourself with knowledge. This involves extensive homework, be it researching online, reading financial books, or even attending webinar seminars. For instance, if you are interested in the stock market, you could use tools like Bloomberg or Yahoo Finance for research and data. Or if you are contemplating a career change, networking events and informational interviews can prove invaluable. The more you know, the better equipped you are to assess the potential risks and rewards. Secondly, it's all about analyzing the potential gains against potential losses. This can be done through tools like risk-reward ratio charts, or even a SWOT analysis. Pose the questions, what's the best outcome, what's the worst? This helps you put things into perspective, allowing you to make a decision based on logic, reason, rather than emotion. Thirdly, never underestimate the value of expert advice. Whether it's a financial advisor, a mentor, or someone who's been in your shoes before, their insights can be invaluable. They can provide a different perspective, highlight potential pitfalls, and help you make a more informed decision. You could also make use of consulting services and mentorship programs. Lastly, be prepared to accept losses. Not every risk you take will pay off, and that's okay. Tools such as risk management software can help you monitor and manage your risks effectively. Remember, it's all part of the learning process. What's crucial is to learn from your mistakes, re-strategize, and keep moving forward. By stepping out of your comfort zone and taking calculated risks, you open yourself up to opportunities that could substantially enhance your financial situation. It could be investing in a promising startup, switching careers to a more lucrative field, or even starting your own business. The key is to keep your eyes open, stay informed, and be ready to seize opportunities when they come your way. With calculated risks, you're setting yourself up for significant financial gains. So don't shy away from risks. Embrace them, manage them effectively with the right tools and techniques, and let them lead you towards your financial goals. To receive more, give more. This age-old wisdom rings true across various aspects of life, and Strategy 7 is entirely centered around giving back. Giving can be done in numerous ways. It's not just about making large charitable donations. You can also provide mentorship to budding entrepreneurs, volunteer at local nonprofits, or use your skills to help those in need. Maybe you're a great coder. Why not give some time to help a local charity improve their website? If you're a fantastic cook, you could share your culinary skills with a community kitchen, or if you're good with numbers, you could offer to help with budgeting or financial advice. You also give back by supporting causes that resonate with you. Consider buying from social enterprises that give a portion of their profits to charitable causes, or choose to support companies that follow sustainable practices, thereby giving back to the environment. Through these acts of giving, you're not just making a difference in the world, but also cultivating a spirit of generosity and gratitude within yourself. This act of giving back can work miracles for your financial journey. It opens up channels of positive energy and abundance. Essentially, when you give, you align yourself with the energy of abundance and prosperity. You're sending a strong message to the universe that you have more than enough to share. This act of giving doesn't just make the world a better place, it also attracts more abundance into your. It's a remarkable cycle of giving and receiving that propels your journey towards financial freedom. So go ahead, give back. Not only will it make you feel good, but it can also pave the way to your financial success. Remember, what we send into the universe has a way of coming back to us. Chapter 2, Additional Strategy, the most powerful money strategy of all, the mindset shift. This isn't about just crunching numbers or following a strict budget. It's about fundamentally changing how you think about money and your financial future. Here's the reality. Many of us are stuck in a scarcity mindset. We're constantly worrying about not having enough, about running out, about losing what we have. This fear-based thinking can actually hold you back from achieving financial freedom. It can make you overly cautious, or lead you to make poor decisions out of desperation. But what if you could shift this mindset? What if you could move from a place of scarcity to a place of abundance? Instead of seeing the world as a place of lack, you'd see it as a place of opportunity. Instead of hoarding your resources, you'd invest them wisely and watch them grow. Instead of fearing loss, you'd embrace the potential for gain. This is the abundance mindset. It's about recognizing that there's plenty to go around. It's about understanding that you have the power to create wealth, not just through your actions, but through your thoughts and beliefs. So how do you cultivate this abundance mindset? First, start by acknowledging what you already have. Gratitude is a powerful tool in shifting your perspective. Next, visualize your financial goals. See them as already achieved. Feel the emotions associated with that success. This acts as a powerful motivator and can help attract those outcomes into your reality. Lastly, challenge any negative beliefs you have about money. Replace thoughts of lack and limitation with thoughts of possibility and prosperity. Remember, your beliefs shape your reality. Now, this isn't some magic trick or get-rich-quick scheme. It's about aligning your mindset with your financial goals. It's about breaking free from fear and stepping into a space of confidence and certainty. The most important thing to remember is this: your mindset matters. It can either be your greatest asset or your biggest obstacle. The choice is yours. Believe you deserve financial abundance and it will come to you. Chapter 3, Conclusion. To wrap it up, these 7 money strategies have the potential to transform your financial situation. From budgeting wisely and investing in personal growth to diversifying income streams and tackling high-interest debt head-on. Consistent saving and investing, taking calculated risks, and giving back to society, all these strategies can pave the way to a more secure financial future. The most powerful of all is a mindset shift. By switching from scarcity to abundance, you can attract wealth and opportunities like never before. Believing in your financial worthiness is the first step towards attaining it. If you found these strategies valuable, don't hesitate to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and wealth building strategies. Remember, the key to financial success lies in your hands. Thanks for watching.